What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to create a sketch illustration of a werewolf. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of a page and sketch out a circle. We'll start from the very top. Just going to lightly work our way around the left side. Then bring that back in towards the middle. Go all the way around the right side. I'm just using these short lines to create our circle. We can go back and readjust the shape. Now with our circle in place, let's add two guidelines, one coming down the middle and one going across. So we'll start with the one in the middle, coming straight down. Now we're going to extend this down towards the bottom of our page. Let's add another guideline going across the center from left to right. Let's go to the left side of our circle, draw a straight angled line coming down and out towards the edge of the muzzle. Now from here we're going to draw a straight angled line coming all the way down and then in towards that center line, towards the bottom. From the tip of the muzzle, we'll step down and draw another straight angled line coming in towards the side of our circle. And then from here we'll draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom of our circle. Let's round out the lower jaw. We'll bend this down and then out towards that outside line. From the outside corner of the jaw, let's step down, curve the head coming up, and then bending that across. Let's add a little bit more shape to the top of the head. Starting from this point, I'm just going to angle this up and in. I'm just going to bend this across towards the right side of our circle. And then from the top, I'm just going to bend the neck, going across and then down towards the outside of our page. Now that we have the basic shape of the head, let's erase the outside of that circle. And we'll lightly erase those guidelines going across the center of the head. And now we'll add a second level of detail. Let's start with the ears. We're going to start from the center of our circle. Just going to curve the ear going up and then out. Let's just bend the ear going up towards the tip. And curve the ear coming back down and then in towards the center of our circle. Let's block out the eye. From the front of the head, we're going to step in, draw a straight angled line going up, go across towards the back of the eye, angle this back down and in toward that center line. Let's round out the top of the muzzle. I'm just going to go up and then in. Let's add a guide for the top row of teeth. I'm just going to curve this down and in. Taper that back up towards the top. Now from the inside edge, curve this in and then down. Let's go to the bottom, bend this up and in. Taper that down. Now from that same point, we're going to curve the tongue going up and then back. Now we're going to move to the tip of our pencil and start adding some details around the eye. We'll start with the upper eyelid, just adding some folds going all the way towards the back of the eye. Working our way along the top. I'm just going to work our way down the side and the bottom. And just work our way out from the eye. Just adding some folds, wrinkles, and some shading. Just going to darken up the top. Adding some folds across the top of the brow. I'm going across the top of the muzzle. Just adding a few bumps, working our way towards the nose. Darken up the bottom of the nose and just blend that up towards a highlight. just going to add some fur across the bottom of the chin. And we're just going to continue to add some shading across the face. And we'll go back and start adding some detail to the teeth. I'm just going to draw the backside teeth in between, just creating a little silhouette effect. So just filling those in. Now we're going to move up and start adding some fur around the ears. And go back and add a little bit more texture inside the shadows. Now we're just adding some thick fur across the top of the head. just going to blend that dark fur in towards the cheekbones. I'm just adding a little bit of saliva around the mouth. Now as we get closer to the end of our drawing, I'm just going to tighten up my detail with the fur and also be sure to sign our artwork, and that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of a werewolf. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.